Hi, my name is Christina Martinez. Some of the assets that I feel that I could bring to the classroom to help my classmates as well as myself are my passion, first of all. I'm really passionate about helping others, especially in the addiction field. I also have experience in the field. I have been a counselor. I've worked in receptionist positions. As of right now, I am the facility director and one of the founders of Open Arms Recovery Center. So I know the people that you have to deal with to get there. I also know um, as another asset that I have experience as being an addict. I'm in recovery almost 7 years now, and that's something that helps me be a good counselor and a good director because I can relate to them and I know their struggles because I've walked in their shoes. Therefore, it is a lot easier to show empathy to this population. Also, mental health. That's another asset that you don't realize that you have until later on in life. I have had some mental health issues in my life as well. So, therefore, again, I can relate. And I've had the experience of being in counseling and, working with social workers, and the best thing that I can say is that, passion is first and foremost for me, experience, and, your personality is also another key to being a good social worker, in my opinion. I like to laugh and I like to be serious. I mean, in recovery, it's a very serious thing. People are dying everywhere. So, um, I know when to take it seriously, but I also know when to let up and listen and, just be that person that is listening to the client. And, that's very important. And that's how you build client counselor relationships. But those are my assets that I feel that I have, and I am looking forward to working with all of you and have a blessed evening.